Hire an app developer, cost per hour and region rates comparison. By ProCoders. Factors affecting the app developer's cost. Now, if you want to know what factors affect the app developer rates per hour, things can get a little complicated, because there are several of them, and they tend to affect the price in different proportions. 1. Qualifications/skills. To put it simply, where did the developer get their education, and what skills do they have? The more skills, the higher the cost per hour. 2. Experience. It goes without saying that the hourly rate for a mobile app developer with years' worth of experience and positive reviews is higher than an hourly rate for a developer who had just graduated from respective courses. 3. Location. Among the factors affecting the rates per hour, location stands out as one of the most significant. It is largely affected by the standard of living and the cost of living in the country, as well as the saturation of the labor market. 4. Technology. The cost per hour can be also affected by the particular tech stack you are looking for. IT market is quite flexible and quickly adapted, so programmers quickly occupy in-demand niches, but generally, the cost to hire a developer who specializes in a more rare technology is higher. 5. Complexity. The cost depends not only on the hourly rate, but also on the complexity of your project. Some developers prefer to work with the patterns well known to them and do not leave their comfort zone. Some, on the contrary, love a challenge, but usually, it affects the rates. Cost of different hiring options, their pros and cons. 1. Hiring a freelancer by yourself. Freelancers may seem like a perfect option when you think about the price. Among other options, they are definitely more budget-friendly, with freelancer rates per hour varying from $15, coders from China or India, to $120 in the US. 2. Hiring with a recruiting agency. You most definitely save time and resources by choosing this option, since the recruiting agency will do all the hard work, choosing a small pool of candidates for you to pick your coder from. 3. Hiring with a staff augmentation company. As in the case of agencies, this method may not seem very budget-friendly, but when you choose an outstaffing company, you choose a reliable high-quality partner who will help you not only find a developer for your company, but also help with technical issues. App developer cost per hour depending on the region. North America, the cost per hour ranging from $42 to $70. South America, between $20 and $40. Western Europe, the average cost to hire a mobile developer in Germany is $45. Central and Eastern Europe, the median in Czech Republic is $30, in Poland it is $35. Asia, in India, the average cost per hour is $19. For tips for hiring an app developer at reasonable cost. Tip 1. Carefully analyze the market to determine mobile app development hourly rate. Tip 2. Determine the optimal tech stack to figure out mobile app developer hourly rate. Tip 3. Consider offshoring to lower the cost to hire a mobile app developer. Tip 4. Use staff augmentation services. Get a high-quality app and spend less hiring an app developer with ProCoders. At ProCoders, we can assemble a team of seasoned Ukrainian developers for your project in no time, with an average cost lower than in the US or in Western Europe. In fact, although the hourly rate for a mobile app developer in Ukraine is higher than in India or China, the quality of our developers is unmatched across the globe. Conclusion. A mobile app is a must-have for any business in 2021, so if you're thinking about developing one, the question of how much does it cost to hire an app developer has probably crossed your mind at some point. If you are on a tight budget or want to make the most of every dollar spent on development, we strongly advise you to consider offshoring. It is an excellent option because mobile app development does not necessitate a permanent presence in the office, and tapping into a larger pool of talent can ensure you quick and effective employment. Subscribe our channel and read more about hire an app developer, cost per hour and region rates comparison at ProCoders blog.